From shower steamers to sugar scrubs, bath bombs to body butter. Find all of that and more at Magnolia Soap and Bath Company. It's not only made locally, it's also made naturally. Liliana Ross and Sharon Gherkin are big fans of Magnolia.
Yes, I love this store.
So much so, they keep a stock of the entire line of Magnolia products at home.
Oh yeah.
Everything. The laundry soap, I use it for everything. I really enjoy candles, and I've always been into the candle thing. And then all the bath products were just a bonus. So my kids don't think they can take a bath without a bath bomb anymore.
These two moms are very particular about the products they use.
Oh, absolutely. I have to know what's in my stuff.
There's a lot of sensitive skin in their households, and Magnolia's all-natural products have been a big help.
Come to find out, the youngest one is more sensitive than the other two for whatever reason, and these products have just helped me tenfold.
Every one of our products is made with care and love and attention.
Scotty Lawrence opened Magnolia Soap and Bath Company in December of 2020. You'll find the store along Tulsa's Cherry Street, with shelves full of products in all sorts of senses. Nearly all of them are made right here in the store.
What we do not make is our face care, and that's made in a lab, and then also the shampoo and conditioner bar, so everything is pH balanced in a lab.
If you don't find what you're looking for, get it customized by the store or learn to make it yourself. There are classes for bath bombs and shower steamers. Choose from 70 different scents, many colors, and all sorts of toppings.
And then they can also make their own candles now. We have a candle bar, come in and pour their own candles in their vessels or ours.
There's also a soap making class. Walk in or call ahead to reserve a space. Liliana hosted her daughter's birthday here.
Everybody was so great, like the staff that was here, kids were running around like crazy, but they were like very helpful and helped hone them in and be like, let's make our bath bombs, and just really interacted with the kids and made it a great, fun experience.
The Magnolia experience isn't just for the kids and ladies.
No, yeah, we have a cute little guys section. That's really all they need. It has beard products, beard balm, beard oil, and then shaving bars as well.
Scotty says her most popular product is the plant-based laundry soap, made with 5 clean ingredients. It too can be customized to any scent in the store.
When somebody chooses a laundry soap and they say, I want it in cactus bloom or I want it in magnolia, we're going to create that for them.
From $15 to $50, grab-and-go shelves are always stocked with gifts in a hurry.
Or if you want to create your own gift, we have baskets or boxes where you can create your own and we'll wrap it.
At the Magnolia Soap and Bath Company in Tulsa, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.